Alright guys, so we were practicing on that over there. That was just a test. We ready.
Oh, it hurts so bad. Is that like a free shave or what? I don't know. Let's go look through the welds. Alright, we got mine. And all of my mustache. What we got? Okay, y'all. So Joe left us here unsupervised, building this truck, Jeep thing. Alright. I'm the magnet. It's pretty strong. I'm not that strong. But I'm cutting this though with those. And got the hat on because I forgot my shirt. And giving it to camera now.
Alright, so basically Joe has left us with a couple of things to cut. We've got these fenders to cut out. We're cutting out these sheets to make them fit over where the shocks are sitting. Unfortunately, they're in a really weird spot, so we are having different measurements for each one. But it all works. In case you didn't see, we've got the cab welded on, or the brackets for the cab welded onto the frame. So after we fit these, we'll be able to put on the front end right here, where our good friend Jared is going to be cutting from here,
taking measurements,
straight down.
Taking measurements and marking it. He'll be taking the measurements and marking it, and I'll be cutting it because I kind of like cutting it. So Joe told us not to use the smaller ones because the smaller ones are more expensive.
Anything to say?
Nah.
Anything to say?
Nah.
All right. Well, we're gonna get back to work.
I said before we cut. So we have Jared finishing cutting around the front grill, and Cameron, where are your shoes at?
They're inside.
I
hate how long your toes are. Like I say this every time, but
what are you doing?
I was shotgunning a Minute Maid lemonade.
Sponsor.
Aren't you supposed to like open it?
Shout out, sponsor us, please. It's really good. Anyways, we have the fenders lined up somewhat on this side and over here on this side too. They're not perfect, but we're just putting them in place so we can put the front grill here to see if it will fit. So I guess we'll go back to time lapse. We're back. I'm back actually. There's a chance I may or may not be back at the next video because do you remember we were inside, we were playing a game, and my mom may or may have not called me and asked where I was at, even though I told her I was at Royal's house. So there's a chance my mom might call me and the music cut off and I get yelled at to get home. But it's okay because I'll be back the next day. Because it's my birthday. That's it.
There we go. Oh, you win. This magnet. Son of a biscuit. Say something, dude. Okay, so he's being a bit camera shy. We just finished cutting the front off of this Jeep grill. The cut part is over there. So I think the people to cut, it was this guy. His cuts are all right. We had our good buddy Jared back there, who I think is getting yelled at by his mom, and he did no cutting.
Nah.
He
did literally nothing.
Yeah.
I put the lines on there, so I think I did a lot. And we had Joe cut some too.
There we go. All right, let's see.
Yeah, it's.
It doesn't take as Joe.
I would try. Go well. Go well.
I'm putting it on.
It's not gonna fit perfectly, guys. We still gotta adjust it.
Wait, Cameron, push that side in. Lazaro,
Go grab some bolts real quick.
The magnet just snapped onto it. Okay, there you go.
Hold on.
Here, Ro, I'll hold it. Camera.
Who put this bike here? It's a Jeep.
Well, I mean, it doesn't have the 7, but close enough.
It doesn't need to. It's a Jeep.
That's fair.
You need a ride?
It looks like one of those fake Jeeps you see from China with like the extra grill.
Where's my phone? I want to
So
get
you
a
don't get
picture of
sued.
this.
I got you. Anyway, we're gonna bolt her up, see how she fits. Right now we've got the fenders fitted on there. They're not great, but they'll work for now. We're mostly just aligning them, making sure everything fits. So it looks like
They're not welded in place or screwed in yet, so.
it looks. Is the motor off center or am I crazy?
What? Well, we also moved it, so it's.
The engine's off center.
Oh, I was gonna say. Yeah, no.
Yeah, the engine sits off to that side by a couple inches.
And
Hey, Jake, I need
it's all ratchet strapped up.
Perfect.
All right. Okay. We're gonna lose our friend Jared. Sounds like he needs to drive home. His mom is probably mad at him. He's out late, but
We'll see when he comes back.
birthday, like, so to go home.
anything to say?
I would like to congratulate our team, except for Lazaro, because he actually did no work at all today. But for everyone else, good job. You know, stay tuned because there's more coming as we start to work on this more. Everyone should be coming back. You know, Brandon and Mikkel should be coming soon.
Anyways, I'm back.
You're not in trouble? Not
I
yet?
just texted my mom, so not in trouble yet. But just waiting for her to reply. 'Cause I know when I did left the house, she was sleeping. But I did tell her that I was coming here.
Really?
Anyways,
Anyways,
hopefully in the next
I did a little
one-
bit of cutting.
hopefully in the next one, I don't know. Joe, what will we do next? Weld it?
Either weekend?
Come on. Not weld it, we have to... I thought you welded it together, don't you? You screw them. They get screwed in. This?
Yeah, they just bolted in.
so they are just fined me staying out till midnight every other day until today, just because they've been gone all weekend. Now they want me home because they want to see me. Blah blah blah. They miss me. Really?
So now we're about to put the hood on real quick. Let's see how it's gonna fit.
You go that way. Stop.
Alright, be careful with this thing. Do not touch the keyboard. Basically it, right there. There you go. That's too close. There you go. It's like that.
I don't gotta go home anymore. My mom's not mad at me.
Yeah, let's go.
It looks pretty good. Hold on, let's
Looking like
move
a
the
roof on
light.
that. Give it to Mike.
Cameron, look at it. We put the hood on.
Oh, she's a little rough.
We put the bonnet on.
Did you really just say bonnet?
Didn't just turn off.
No, it's on.
Hey, Jared, move back.
Hey, right. You're in the front. Oh.
Alright guys, we're back for another one. This is what these guys have done today. Today I got them to mock up the front fenders, chop up the front grille to where it'll fit back here so we can measure the radiator. They just got it mocked up. It's just tied down with straps, as you can see. Got the hood kind of mocked up. This is basically what it's going to look like. From here we can just make sure everything's going to fit. We can make sure the radiator is going to clear, the condenser is going to clear, everything up in the front. And then we can start figuring out how we're going to mount everything. We still need to fix the rust here so we can do all the brackets here. This needs to be bolted up. It's just very roughly mocked in place, but this gives an idea. But that's what they've done. Guys, say hi to the camera.
Guy, what's up?
Yeah. They're actually getting some work done. I'm not doing much on this. I'm just kind of pointing them in the right direction. Alrighty, guys. Well, follow along, and we'll have some more good stuff coming.
So we're gonna replace the front. I forgot what those are called. Cross members or something like that. Yeah, we're gonna change out the ones on the front of this Jeep because they're bent. So should be reasonably quick.
All right, we're back. It's another week. We're gonna be starting on the Jeep. So far the kids, as y'all saw in the last video, have done a lot of work. They've gotten body mounts mounted, semi-mounted. They're on there. We still got to pull the body back off and finish them up. Put in some gussets and some other stuff. Finish it all up. Right now it's just kind of tacked in, kind of just to hold it in place. So this week we're going to be working on fixing this rust. Right now Jay and Brandon are taking off the front clip, but this week what we're going to do is we're going to fix this rust right here, redo this bracket that runs along the bottom, and then redo all the bolt holes up here so that we can mount this thing correctly. Then we can start mounting radiator and all that stuff. We're also there you go. All right, taking fenders off. There's one of the fenders. Got the front. Take the other fender off, Jay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put this back on.
Okay, so let's get some light in a different spot here. All right, so we already got these cut out. We got to cut out these metal plates that we're going to use to reinforce the firewall here and on that side. That when we put in the brake booster and the clutch master cylinder and the pedals on the other side, this won't be flexing in and out. After we do that, clean these all up. You see, because we got one bolt hole there, this one's all screwed up, that one never came out, these are all rusted out, so we got to replace all that. Then we can start working on the front end again, get it mocked up correctly in the right spot, get the gearbox mounted, and more fabrication. So this week on my part it'll be a little more hands-on. Everything they've kind of worked through, I've let them kind of try to figure out, you know, little problem solving. But they were able to get the axles on, well, mocked up in there. They're not bolted in tight, but they are in there. Drive lines in there, you know, drive shaft, transfer case, all that. Y'all seen that in the other videos. They've kind of worked through that. Now is going to be the fun part of more fabricating. So I actually have to get in here and show them how to do the work. Actually do a little more hands-on work with them. So that's what we're doing this week. We'll be doing some time-lapse stuff, showing y'all what's going on, showing what we're doing, how we're doing it, and what these guys will be learning. So now they get to learn sheet metal work, and just replacing rust. As you can see, this is all rusted out. I'm hoping we can cut it off right here so that we don't have to try to replace this, and cut it off below this lip right here so we don't have to replace that. Make it a lot easier to fix this. I'm planning on doing this in a couple steps. Probably this here will be one, this will be another one, and then there'll be a plate along the back of it to give it a little bit more structure. We'll see what we're going to make this out of. I don't know how strong we're going to have to make this here, because it's really not structural, I guess, support for this cab. It's just kind of structural for the fenders. So, all right, we'll let y'all follow along and see what kind of work we do. May not look good, but we'll make it work. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, follow along.